Hi, to copy text messages on Samsung Galaxy S25, find and open your Messages app. In my case, it will be Samsung Messages. And now you need to select chat in which you want to copy something. For that, you need to simply press and hold your message and choose to copy text. And now it is copied to clipboard. So let's paste it to, for example, Notes app. I'm gonna open my Notes, tap here to create new one. And now you can see this copied message in your clipboard and you can immediately tap it and it would be pasted into Notes app. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.